Hello and welcome back. When Nehemiah received the devastating news of the state of the walls of Jerusalem, Nehemiah had two things to do. He would have maybe just like the people who were staying there, could have just maybe ignored and just assumed there's nothing, or he could have done what he did. And the one says that when he got the people who reported, they said it like this. When they came and Nehemiah questioned them, this is what they said. Those who survived the exile are, it is in Jeremiah 1, and that is verse 3. They say to me, those who survived the exile are back in the province back in the province, are in great trouble and disgrace. The wall of Jerusalem is broken down, and its gates have been burned with fire. And just listen to that. The walls are broken down, and they are doing nothing about it, And they are coming to report. We don't know it's after how long, but they are coming to report to Nehemiah the state in which the walls are. And when Nehemiah heard the news, it hit him so hard. The one says that when I heard the things that these things, I sat down and wept. For some days I mourned and fasted and prayed before the God of heaven. And when Nehemiah got this news, and he felt it upon him, he felt it. I need to do something. I have to do something. I have the power to do something. I am capable. And I know with God, I can do this. And today I'm on your case. You are the Nehemiah. You have received news. Maybe it's from your village. Maybe somebody is very sick. Maybe it's somebody in your neighborhood. Their house is broken down. And God has put something in you and you feel like, I can help. Because just think aloud. That person or whatever the news you are getting, you are not the first person to receive the news. You are not the first person to see, or now you are being, whatever information you are getting, you are not the first person to hear it. But everyone else who has heard the news have done absolutely nothing about it. And now the news have gotten to you. And you feel like, I can do something. I think I can organize how we can help that family. Maybe we can do a fundraiser. Maybe we can find how we can make a house for them. Maybe it's someone's child has been, sent away from school because they can't raise the school fees. And you feel, I can afford. That's not much. And you feel you can afford it. And today I want to tell you, it is not a coincidence. You are a Nehemiah in someone's life. You are a Nehemiah maybe in your neighborhood. You are a Nehemiah in your workplace. Maybe somebody is being mistreated and they have reported to you and you can do something. So it is the high time. It might not be easy. Maybe there will be opposition, like the story of Nehemiah. There were oppositions. It was not easy. It came a time when they had to build with one hand, and one hand they were carrying weapons, but they still did it anyway. And today I'm calling upon you. Whatever news you've received, whatever cry you've received, somebody need help from you. It is the high time you woke up. Do what you are supposed to do, knowing that it was not just another story. It was not just another reporting. This was a report with a purpose. Yes, you know yourself. There's something you are told to do and you knew you can do it, but you've not done it. Wake up and go do it. Do it knowing that. And knowing that, the one says here, and because the gracious hand of my God was on me, Nehemiah knew God was with him. And today I'm telling you, God is with him, is with you. Whatever is that you think you can do it, yes, It is not just a mere feeling. That is the truth. You can handle it. And that is the reason why it was reported to you and not the person next to you. So wake up, go solve that problem. Wake up, go pay that school fees. Wake up, go and clear that bill that you are told somebody has a big bill and they don't know the way out. They told you because God knows you can do it and you felt it in your heart. This is my load to carry. This is my burden to carry. This is my way of reconstructing. I can rebuild their lives. I can rebuild their family. I can rebuild everything that is broken for you and for the people around you. And also, even in your life, maybe there's something that's falling apart. You have the power to rebuild it. So wake up and start rebuilding. Stop sitting down and waiting for the things to get worse day by day. It is time to wake up and start rebuilding because the hand of God is on you. Thank you so much.